Hello mga friends, tayo po ngayon ay mag-exercise. Welcome po sa kusina ni Bibay. So for this episode, tayo po ay gagawa ng sticky coffee chicken. Then below are the following ingredients. And now we will add the baking soda, the 5 spices, and the salt to prepare the chicken para i-marinate. And then we will add our 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. And then we will add 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce. Then we will add Japanese mirin. So pwede po tayong gumamit ng Chinese rice wine or Japanese rice wine. Now we will add our 2 egg whites. Saka po yung ating corn flour. And now we will add at least 1 teaspoon of black ground pepper. Haluin lang pong mabuti para kumapit po yung lasa. Then we will marinate these for 1 hour. So 30 minutes sa refrigerator and then 30 minutes is nasa labas. And now we will prepare our sauce preparation. And here are the ingredients. So any 3-in-1 coffee po is pwedeng gamitin. Then simple lang po ito. We will just add all our ingredients to 3 cups of water. Then haluin lang po natin. Kung wala po kayong honey, pwede po siyang palitan ng 2 tablespoons of sugar. Then we will check the oil, ready na siyang i-fry. And we will fry this for 3 minutes per side. So, babalik na rin po natin 3 minutes, 3 minutes, 6 minutes, total. After po nito, we will remove our chicken and let it cool down. And then, ipapray po natin siya uli by another 1.5 minutes per side. The reason po kung bakit 2 beses natin siya pinapray is para kumapit yung lasa ng ating marinade dun sa chicken. At the same time, lutong-luto yung chicken natin. Then, after the chicken is done, we will prepare na yung ating sauce. So, we will put it and cook it hanggang sa lumapot. And then kapag po medyo malapot na siya, it's time to add our chicken. just cook this until maging sticky yung sauce niya. Kaya po siya sticky coffee chicken. Nangangamoy na siya. So yummy. Then we will just add sesame seed and onion leeks on top. Then tapos na po siya. Then hope you like our recipe for today. It's sticky coffee chicken. Then don't forget to like, subscribe, and share, and enjoy cooking.